Hello and welcome to NJ Studies. Today we will discuss about security group. So first we'll check what is a security group in AWS. A security group acts as a virtual firewall for your EC2 instance to control incoming and outgoing traffic. Inbound rules control the incoming traffic to your instance, and outbound rules controls the outgoing traffic from your instance. When you launch an instance, you can specify one or more security groups. If you don't specify a security group, Amazon EC2 uses the default security group. You can add rules to each security group that allows traffic to or from its associated instance. You can modify the rules from a security group at any time. New and modified rules are automatically applied to all instances that are associated with the security group. When Amazon EC2 decided whether to allow traffic to reach an instance, it evaluates all of the rules from all of the security groups that are associated with the instance. Okay, now we'll discuss about how we can create a security group in Amazon in AWS console. So first we need to go to services. In services, we have two options to create security group. Either we can move with the compute option, or either we can move with networks and security option. So we'll check with the compute option. Go to compute, go to EC2, and in EC2, when you scroll down, you'll find networks and security in the side toolbar, where you can click on this security group. Once you click to security group, you will find the option to create a security group. Now here, when you click on the button create security group, you found the page open which asks you some information about your security group. So first we need to give the name of our security group, so we'll provide a name just like MJ Study. Now we can also give description if we want that for what purpose we are creating this security group. So we'll mention that allow port 80. Okay, so now here we can select VPC. If you have another VPC from which you want to create security group, then you can select those VPC. In the search option, you can search the VPC, or if you don't have any VPC, then it automatically selects the default VPC. Now here, the inbound rule, where you can add an inbound rule by which you can get the incoming traffic. So you can allow which port you want to access to the server. So here we'll add 80 port 80. So port 80 is HTTP port. So we'll allow HTTP traffic to our server. Now here we can also specify the source. If you want anywhere by IPv4, then you can specify anywhere by IPv4. You can also select IPv6, or if you have any particular IP, then you can also provide particular IP. If you have if you want to select your own IP, then you can just choose my IP. Then it will allow only your IP. And here is the option of custom IP. In the custom IP, you can select whatsoever IP you want to add. So yeah, we will select here anywhere from IPv4. Okay. Here in description, if you want to add a description to this inbound rule, then you can also add this description. So we'll provide that access web page. Okay, now here we found the outbound rules, which are by default allow for all the ports, all the protocols, and all the range for complete server, because outbound rule is a rule which is used to access from the server to outside network. Now here we can also give a tag to our security group. So here we can use a name and just give name and just study. Yeah. Now by clicking on the create security group, our security group is ready. Yeah, here you found that our security group is ready, and here we found one inbound rule with the allow port 80 for source complete IPv4. Now we are attaching this security group to our created instance, which we created in our previous videos. The instance is MJ Study. So just clicking on just select the instance, go to action. In the action you will find the security option. Just select the security, and here you found change security group. So here our instance is already attached with one security group. So what we can do, we'll remove this security group and we'll attach our newly created security group, which is MJ Security. So now add security group. Here we added our security group. Now save the video, save the security group changes, and yeah, now here you found that our security group is added. In the to check this, just check the box and go to security option, and here found that our MJ Study is selected. Now if you want to access, as you know that we allow port 80, so we'll check that port 80 is working or not. So we'll just move and check that the web page is accessed or not. Yeah, web page is accessed. Now, but yeah, we don't allow SSH port, so we can check by connecting to the server that are we able to connect with the server without even the port is permissioned by us or not. So we're going to connect the server by SSH. So yeah, here you found that you may not able to connect to this instance, as port 22 may need to be open in order to be accessible. The current associated security group don't have port 22 open. So here you found that we are not able to access this server because we are not allowed in our security group port 22. Now we are allowing port 22 in our security group. So we'll go to our security group. Yeah, just select our instance. Just go to inbound rule in the lower panel and just edit inbound rule. Here we found the button add rule. Now we are adding the rule. It will ask you about the port that which port you want to. So we want port SSH to be accessible. So here it automatically takes the port range. Now we can also provide the IP address that what IP address can be accessed for this port. Now we are just saving the rule. Now here the rule is saved. Now we again go to instances. Now here you found, now when we connect to this instance via SSH, just a second, fetch this thing. Yeah, now we'll check. Now we'll connect this instance. Yeah, so now there is, you found that there is no alert we found here. Now we'll just copy this thing and just open CMD. So yeah, just first we need to go to the file where our temp file is present. Now we just need to copy paste the complete part, and now you can see that we are able to access our server. Yeah, here you can. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, feel free to subscribe, feel free to comment below, and please like, share, subscribe this video. Thank you. Goodbye.